Snickerdoodles are one of the best kinds of cookies, and this recipe for Grandma Ruth's Snickerdoodle cookies have Allrecipes users raving. Start by beating 1½ cups of white sugar, 1 cup softened butter, and 2 eggs together in a bowl using an electric mixer until smooth and creamy. For your dry ingredients, take a separate bowl and combine 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then, stir into your creamed butter mixture until it's fully combined and a dough starts to form. You don't want to overmix, however, or your tender cookie dough will become super tough. A snickerdoodle isn't complete without its coating, so mix 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon together in a bowl. Form your dough into 2 teaspoon-sized balls and roll into the cinnamon sugar mixture. Place your dough balls about 2 inches apart on a baking sheet that has been lightly greased or lined with parchment paper. Place in the center rack in a 400-degree oven for 7 minutes. Make sure to allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet before transferring them to the wire rack. Letting them cook outside the oven on the hot cookie sheet prevents your snickerdoodles from becoming hard and tough. Let us know how much you enjoyed these snickerdoodles, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more equally wonderful recipes. Thanks for watching!